बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम जी। मैं अपनी एक और नई वीडियो के साथ आपकी खिदमत में हाजिर हूँ। इस वीडियो में जो जॉब्स शेयर करूँगी वो जॉब्स आई थी डॉन संडे 25 फरवरी 2024 के अखबार में। तो ये पहली जॉब है होम डिपार्टमेंट गवर्नमेंट ऑफ सिंध। जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ फॉर द पोस्ट ऑफ डायरेक्टर जनरल सिंध फॉरेंसिक साइंस एजेंसी। Home Department Sin invites application from well-experienced, motivated, vibrant and cognizant of forensic science individuals for the appointment as Director General Sin Forensic Science Agency. The individuals fulfilling the following criteria are advised to send their resumes along with a complete CV and supported documents / credentials including experience letters at the given address not later than 22/3/2024. Qualification and experience: PhD in forensic science or forensic pathology or forensic chemistry or forensic analytical chemistry or biological sciences or biotechnology or biochemistry or molecular biology or genetics or forensic medicine or computer forensics or forensic immunology or toxicology from a university recognized by Higher Education Commission along with a PhD research project co-related to forensic science ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ है मैंडेटरी। नंबर 2 मिनिमम 15 years working experience, out of which 10 years working as bench analyst from reputed national or international hands-on forensic laboratory work and 5 years as administrative / supervisory position at reputed national or international forensic laboratory. No experience either hands-on or administrative / supervisory nature shall be counted while working in academic field. Mandatory. Number 3, candidate must have passed minimum 3 proficiency tests of forensic discipline from an internationally recognized proficiency testing provider. Mandatory. Number 4, member of an international forensic association preferable. Number 5, having some experience of court testimonials ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ है preferable. The initial appointment shall be for the term of 5 years which may be extended by the government in special circumstances for another term as it may determine. There shall be competitive market-based salary commensurate with the experience of the individual. Noted: only shortlisted candidates shall be contacted for interview. No TA/TA will be admissible. Government servant shall apply through proper channel. For any information, email to Sindh Forensic Science Laboratory at gmail.com. Project Director, Project Implementation Unit, Sindh Forensic Science Laboratory, Home Department. Office number 406, Ibrahim Trade Tower opposite Al Tijara / Habit Store मेन शाहराह फैसल कराची। पढ़ंती सिंध था वढ़ंती सिंध। अच्छा जी, एक और जॉब आई हुई थी डॉन संडे 25 फरवरी 2024 के अखबार में। सिंध बैंक वैकेंसी अनाउंसमेंट प्रेसिडेंट एंड CEO। सिंध बैंक लिमिटेड विद इट्स हेड ऑफिस एट कराची रिक्वायर्स द services of president and chief executive officer. The candidates eligible under FPT criteria as contained in the corporate governance regulatory framework of State Bank of Pakistan. BPRD circular number 5 of 2021 dated 22/2021 https://www.sbp.org.pk/bprd/2021/cp.htm may apply. The candidates must possess minimum qualification of graduation. Preference will be given to master's degree holder in the disciplines of banking, finance, economics, business administrations and related fields from a local / foreign university. A career banker having at least 5 years of experience at senior level as EVP and above or equivalent in a bank / DFI. The position demands a highly motivated, result-oriented individual with leadership skills conversant with all applicable banking laws, regulations and practices within the age limit as prescribed in Corporate Governance Regulatory Framework CGRF. The interested candidates may send their detailed CVs with a recent photograph and copies of education and experience certificates latest by 11/3/2024 at ceojob@sindhbankltd.com. Please note that only shortlisted candidates will be called for interview. No TA/TA will be admissible. यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ वाह की जॉब है. Chartered by the Government of Punjab. Position announcement. Vice Chancellor. The search committee is seeking highly accomplished, qualified and motivated professionals for the position of Vice Chancellor of the University of WA. Eligibility criteria: PhD in any discipline from a university recognized by the Higher Education Commission. 20 years experience in academic and research activities with at least 5 years experience dealing with higher education management as a professor. BPS 21. 15 research publications in a journal recognized by the Higher Education Commission or Pakistan Engineering Council, out of which 5 should be within the last 5 years. Should not be more than 65 years of age on closing date. Terms of appointment. Tenure: the Vice Chancellor shall be appointed for a term of 3 years and serve at the pleasure of the Chancellor. Salary package as determined by the board. Applications. Interested professionals are requested to apply for the position on the prescribed pro forma available at UW Career Portal uow.edu.pk. The pro forma should be accompanied by the following documents. Number 1, certified copies of curriculum vitae, educational CV, educational certificates, degrees and diplomas. The CV should clearly highlight all elements of eligibility criteria and personal attributes. It should start with the title of the first degree, grades, the name of the institute/college and the university, details of certified teaching and administrative experience in the form of experience certificates duly issued by the concerned registrar/admin officer/HR office. Notifications of postings shall not be accepted. List of HEC recognized research publications. Chronological order. Certified copies of the first page and index of the recognized journal. 4 recent passport size photographs. The application of the interested professionals on the prescribed pro forma along with the supporting documents and CV should be addressed to the Secretary Search Committee and should reach the University of WA within 15 days after the publication of the advertisement. Incomplete applications will not be entertained. Only shortlisted candidates will be called for interviews and no TA/TA will be admissible. Secretary Search Committee, University of WA, Qaid-e-Azam Avenue, WA, Kent. Telephone number 0519055252627, 05190552526 से लेकर 7 तक. वेबसाइट www.uow.edu.pk, www.uow.edu.pk. तो जी ये तो थी मेरी आज की वीडियो. अगर आप लोगों को मेरी वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो मेरी वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा. इस वीडियो के लिए इतना ही. अल्लाह हाफ़िज़.